Hey guys, we finally got our hands on our brand new product, Lash Plump. You may have seen something similar getting around called Lash Botox, but we decided to formulate our own product so that lash techs can use this in their lash lifts and brow laminations, but also anyone who wants to have healthier lashes and brows or who gets lash lifts and brow laminations. So your brows and lashes can get damaged from lash lifts, brow laminations, tinting, and just free radicals in the environment. So it basically protects and repairs your lash and brow hair. You just pop it on, tap it in with a makeup brush, leave it on for at least 5 minutes. If you can do longer, then that's better. But basically it does just repair the disulfide bonds and protects from future damage. So while I'm waiting, I'm also going to apply some lash and brow growth serum. I'm going to apply them to my natural lashes, even though I've got my extensions on, because this product is oil-free, so it helps keep your lashes healthy even while you do have extensions on. Unfortunately, I'm naughty and I do pick my extensions out, so I need to use this product to keep my natural lashes growing back from the gaps. Oops, my skin's awful at the moment, so I've just chucked on a filter, and my son's decided to join me in the mirror. So I've just taken off that lash mask and I'm just brushing with a spoolie. I'm going to add the lash and brow growth serum into any gaps I have in my brows, and I'm going to go and get on with my day.